Welcome to Glitz Nails and Design. In today's video tutorial, we are going to show you how to do an orange cat eye on black glitter. This tutorial includes step-by-step instructions.
First, you are going to apply the base coat. Then cure nail under a full UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next, apply black glitter gel polish. Cure the nail again under a UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Repeat previous steps until you have a preferred base color. Cure again under UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Repeat this step again. Cure again for 60 seconds. Now you're going to apply the orange cat eye gel polish. Use the magnet to create the cat eye effect. Fast cure nail with a mini UV LED light to create the cat eye effect. Then cure nail under a full UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now you will apply reinforcement gel to protect the gel color. manicure under a full UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a glossy top coat. Now do a final cure under a full UV LED lamp for 120 to 180 seconds. Your orange cat eye with black glitter nail design is now completed.
Thank you for watching. If you liked or learned something, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, as we are dedicated to bringing you inspirational nail art design videos. You can also check out our nail art tutorial videos on our channel.